Hello, everybody. Blizzardbill earlier this morning with your Blizzardbill quick cast. A quick look at the weather pattern going ahead the next couple of days. I don't see a lot of rain today, to be honest with you. It's not very impressive, so we'll keep an eye on all of that too. So let's take a look at the very latest weather maps here for you, and this being what is called the European model. And to be quite honest with you, it's not that impressive as of yet. It just really isn't. Zoom in a little bit tighter. Again, you can see a time frame right there. And let's go forward. Only scattered showers and thunderstorms, probably like 30% probability. May go up a little bit as you get towards tonight. And but this typical August type of a weather pattern. You get these scattered thunderstorms, perhaps a bit more likely during the day tomorrow, Friday. You can see a little bit more widespread. So slight chance today, a couple of showers and thunderstorms, more likely tomorrow as we get into the upcoming weekend. In the afternoon, mid-morning to mid-afternoon on Saturday, there will be these scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not a total washout, but they're going to be out there. And as you get into Sunday, the weather maps are still showing a slight chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Maybe perhaps a better chance for thunderstorms widespread coming in next week. But that's a quick down and dirty. Slight chance for a shower and thunderstorm today. Better chance for tomorrow.